This pinched triangle fold is the trickiest fold we'll do today, so pay close attention. Once again, I'll start by folding my paper in half to make a rectangle, but since I want the colorful side of the paper to show in the final form, I'm going to fold it so the white side shows like this. Line up the opposite edges and give it a good crease. Now, flip your paper over, and we're going to fold the paper in half again on the diagonal this time. Align the corner and the edges and give that fold a good crease. We're going to do the same thing, folding it in half diagonally from the opposite direction this time. Aligning the corner and the edges, and give this third fold a good crease. When you open your paper, it should have a fold pattern that looks like an X with a line through it, like this. Now, take the fold that's not part of the X, pinch it together in the middle, and put it down on your table, giving that triangle a good crease to flatten it down. Now take one of the flaps of the 4, fold it straight down the middle of your triangle, and give that fold a good crease. Do the same to the other side, just folding down one of the flaps straight down the middle of the triangle. Give it a good crease, and you're done. You'll need 8 of these folds total.